Are you looking for the top 5 best wood routers for professionals? I've bought and tested these routers, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Whether you're a pro or just getting into woodworking, I've got the inside scoop on the best wood routers out there. Let's dive into the top 5 options that truly deliver.
Product number 1. Bosch PR20 EVS Colt 1.0 HP Variable Speed Palm Router. When I first picked up the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router, I was struck by its compact size and ergonomic grip. Weighing in at just 3.3 pounds, this little powerhouse features a 1.0 HP, 5.6 amp variable speed motor that delivers speeds ranging from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. I remember setting it up for the first time. The quick clamp system made it easy to switch between bases. The solid aluminum base felt durable under my hands, and the unique finger support pockets provided extra stability, especially when trimming those tricky edges. This router is not just about power, it's about precision too. The fast and precise depth adjustment system allowed me to make both macro and micro adjustments effortlessly. I was pleasantly surprised at how user-friendly it was thanks to the straight edge guide that helped me maintain clean, straight cuts. The angled cord exit is a small but thoughtful feature that keeps the cord out of my way while I'm working. Pros: the lightweight makes it easy to handle, rapid speed adjustments allow for versatility, and the rugged design promises durability. The ability to accept bits up to 1/1/16 inch in diameter increases its versatility. Cons: while it's powerful for its size, it's not as robust as some of the larger models, and the 1/4 inch collet may limit you if you need to use larger bits. So why should you buy the Bosch PR20 EVS? If you're looking for a router that's portable, precise, and perfect for edge trimming and small projects, this is your best bet. It's a reliable tool that combines power and finesse, making it an excellent choice. Product number 2. Tino Wood Router 6.5 amp 1.25 HP wood routers. Next up is the Tino Wood Router. For just $39.99, this tool packs a surprising punch with its 800-watt motor that can reach an impressive 31,000 RPM. I was initially skeptical about its lower price point, but this router proved me wrong when I took it for a spin. The transparent base was a game changer for me. As I worked, I could see exactly what was happening with my project, allowing for better accuracy during cuts. I found it particularly useful for intricate edge work and chamfering. The clear view ensured I could make adjustments on the fly without any guesswork. The ergonomic design was another highlight. The rubber-covered base felt good in my hands, and the adjustable depth control was straightforward, no tools required. Pros: it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. The transparent base gives great visibility, and it comes with a complete 15-piece bit set, making it a fantastic value. Cons: while it's powerful for its size, I wouldn't recommend it for heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, the plastic construction makes it slightly less durable than metal counterparts. Why buy the Tino Wood Router? If you're on a budget but still want a reliable tool for woodworking projects, this router is a fantastic. Product number 3. Bosch 1617 EVSPK 2.25 HP Combination Router. I've saved the best for last with the Bosch 1617 EVSPK, a true workhorse in the router world. This combination plunge and fixed base router boasts a powerful 12 amp motor that can handle the toughest jobs. When I first used it, I was immediately impressed by how stable it felt, thanks to its heavy-duty design, weighing in at 18.2 pounds. The adjustable speed settings from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM allowed me to fine-tune my cuts depending on the material. I found the constant response circuitry to be particularly beneficial. It kept the torque consistent even when starting up, which meant I could focus on my cuts without worrying about losing control. The microfine bit depth adjustment was another feature that really stood out. I was able to make adjustments with precision, ensuring my nuts were exactly where I wanted them. The rounded hardwood handles felt comfortable and provided the control I needed, even during long sessions. Pros: the powerful motor is ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The adjustable speed settings give you great control, and the 2 bases provide flexibility for different types of work. Cons: it's heavier than some other models, which could be a downside for those looking for a lightweight option. Why should you buy the Bosch 1617 EVSPK? If you're serious about woodworking and need a reliable router that can handle a variety of tasks, this is the one for you. It's built to last and offers Product number 4, dewalt 20-volt Max XR cordless router. The dewalt 20-volt Max XR cordless router is a game changer for anyone who values portability and power. This tool combines the freedom of battery operation with impressive performance. When I first took it out of the box, I was amazed at how lightweight it was, weighing only 2.6 pounds, which made it super easy to handle. The variable speed dial allows you to match the router speed to your specific application, which I found to be incredibly useful. I can adjust the speed on the fly without missing a beat, thanks to the soft start motor that provides full-time electronic feedback to maintain speed during cuts. The dual LEDs are a thoughtful addition, illuminating the work surface so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Depth adjustments are a breeze with the depth adjustment ring, allowing me to make quick changes without having to fiddle with complicated settings. The electronic brake is a nice touch, slowing the motor down quickly once I'm done, which is great for safety. Pros: cordless design offers unmatched portability, the variable speed control gives versatility, and the dual LEDs enhance visibility. Cons: as a tool-only option, you'll need to invest in a battery and charger if you don't already own DeWalt products. So why buy the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR? If you want a router that offers both power and convenience, especially for on-the-go projects.
Product number 5, Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP electronic fixed base router. Finally, let's discuss the Bosch 1617 EVS, another fantastic offering from Bosch. This fixed base router is equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor, delivering reliable performance that I've come to trust over the years. What I love most about this router is its combination of power and precision. From the moment I turned it on, I felt the power of the 2.25 HP motor as it effortlessly cut through various materials. The adjustable speed dial ranges from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, allowing me to adapt to different tasks with ease. The constant response circuitry ensures that the motor maintains speed during cuts, providing stability and consistency. I particularly appreciated the microfine bit depth adjustment, which enabled me to make precise depth changes during my projects. The rounded hardwood handles felt great in my hands and maximized my control, making it easy to guide the router along my intended path. Pros: the powerful motor is suitable for heavy-duty work, adjustable speeds provide versatility, and the overall sturdy build ensures longevity. Cons: it's corded, which can limit mobility compared to cordless models, and its weight may be a concern for those seeking a lightweight router. In conclusion, if you're after a router that combines power and precision for professional-grade woodworking, the Bosch 1617 EV.
After diving into these 5 wood routers, it's clear that there's something for everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, so choose one that fits your needs and elevate your woodworking game.